Installation preparation. Common tools required. Specialized tools for EA211 1.4T timing set positioning and adjustment. And automotive diagnostic device. Disassembly process. 1. Shut down the engine, shift to P gear, and open the engine hood. 2. Remove the following components: intake pipe, crankcase fin pipe, water pump belt cover, camshaft seal cover, upper timing cover, accessory belt and tensioner, crankshaft pulley, lower timing cover, etc. 3. Rotate the crankshaft until it aligns with the groove at the back of the intake and exhaust camshaft. 4. Install the crankshaft positioning bolt T10340 by screwing it all the way in and tightening it. Next, turn the crankshaft along the engine rotation direction to the limit position. 5. Make sure that the rear groove of the intake and exhaust camshaft is directly above the center of the camshaft. 6. After putting the camshaft fixing device T10494 in place, secure it with bolts. If the camshaft fixing device cannot be inserted, press the timing belt downward with a suitable tool or by hand to facilitate installation. 7. Remove the engine mount, center timing cover of the engine, intake and exhaust camshaft adjuster spiral plug, and loosen the two adjuster fixing bolts by about 1 turn. 8. Remove the timing tensioner pulley, the timing belt, and the timing idler pulley. Examination before installation. 1. Check wear condition of the intake and exhaust camshaft and the crankshaft oil seal, and determine whether replacement is required. 2. Check wear condition of the positioning hole on the rear lug of the tensioner pulley, and determine if repair or replacement is required. Installation process. Installation should be completed in the reverse order of disassembly, with attention paid to the following points. 1. The tightening torque for installing the timing idler pulley is 45 Nm. 2. During installation of the timing tensioner pulley and the fixing bolts, the optimal position is reached when the tensioner pulley cannot tilt but can still be adjusted freely. 3. During installation of the timing belt, a T10499 adjustment wrench and suitable tools should be used. Rotate the tensioner pulley in the direction indicated by the arrow until the adjustment pointer reaches the limit position. Next, turn the tensioner back to allow the adjustment pointer to be accurately positioned in the adjustment window. Finally, secure the fixing bolts of the tensioner pulley with a tightening torque of 30 Nm. 4. Using a camshaft adjuster fixing tool T10172 and other suitable tools, pre-tighten the fixing bolts with a torque of 50 Nm. 5. Remove the crankshaft positioning bolt T10340. 6. Remove the camshaft positioning device T10494. Examination of the timing set. 1. Rotate the crankshaft in the engine rotation direction by 2 turns. Reinstall the crankshaft positioning bolt T10340 properly, and then reinstall the camshaft positioning device T10494. At this point, the tensioner pulley adjustment pointer must be located in the adjustment window. If the camshaft fixing device T10494 cannot be inserted, press the timing belt downward with a suitable tool or by hand to facilitate installation. 2. After confirming the timing set adjustment is correct, remove the crankshaft or camshaft positioning tool. Next, Using the camshaft adjusting fixing tool T10172 and other suitable tools, tighten the fixing bolts to the final torque 50 Nm plus 135 degrees. 3. Other components should be installed in the reverse order of disassembly. Please refer to the maintenance manual for the torques of all fixing bolts. Forced installation is prohibited. Finally, use the car diagnostic device to enter the system, clear relevant fault code, and then conduct a road test of the vehicle.